how to enable the turn off all sensors toggle, and that's going to require the developer options to have this feature available and disable all the sensors on your OnePlus 12R phone. Let's get started. In order to do this, you'll first need to use the quick panel access and go into the settings, then go all the way down to where it says about device, okay? So go here now. And from here now, go down to the part that says version, right there, version. Then you're gonna tap on version number 7 times, okay? That would be the build number, and you'll need to do this to enable developer options. So go ahead and tap on the 7 times, and it's gonna tell you how many more times you're left, okay? And one more, and there you go, okay? You're now in developer options, okay, or developer mode. And if you have a lock screen set up, you'll need to put that in to go through and then continue, all right? So next things, you'll just come out of here now, and let's go back all the way to the top where it has a search here to find the developer options, okay? So type in developer, and you'll see the suggestion here. You can continue typing or tap on that one time here. Okay, that's going to take you right there. So make sure this is turned on, of course, so that you can have access to all the other developer options. Then go down until you see the quick settings developer tiles, this one right here. Okay, so with Android 14, you're going to have a lot of awesome features there. That's going to be available into the quick access here, this quick toggle settings section here, okay, that you can add onto them, all right? So one of them would be the sensors one, okay? And of course, you only want to do this if it's really necessary, but I'm sure a lot of you want to go ahead and do that. So turn this on, then you'll notice that the toggle is going to be up here, okay? It's going to be the bigger toggle there. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean it's on right now. It's on when you select it, and it's in that color or that specific set color you have for your OnePlus 12R phone. Okay, so now the sensors are all off, okay? And I would recommend not to leave this on all the time, just use it when you really need to. And if that's what you were looking for, go ahead and do that, okay? But before you disable it, make sure you turn it off. And then you'll have to go back to the developer options, this tiles here, and then turn the switch off, okay? Make sure it's off so that the toggle won't be there. And then make sure you just disable developer options after you're finished, okay? And that'll be it, like and sub.